governors who are here, your Royal Majesties and Highnesses, and in particular my brother, and is there at the settlement, and all of you, our leaders, friends, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like, on behalf of my family and I, to congratulate my dear brother and his wife, and his family, on achieving a very significant milestone of 60. It seems to me that we may have conspired at the other side, but he came to this sphere few months before I did. I will be 60 January. So I congratulate you. And I want to use this opportunity to thank Madam for taking very good care of our brother. He's actually looking far younger than 60. We are all here with Chief Oyegu, His Excellency is our leader here, Secondus is here, Lydia, and all of us as part of this national audience, but also as people from our zone who are here with all of us here to congratulate and show solidarity with our brother. And by doing so, look up to a future politics that will transcend vitriol and division and disagreements of the past. Congratulations. While you were governors, I can attest to the fact that you invested seriously in security. You were flushing out criminals from River State, just as I was also from Bayelsa, flushing them out from Bayelsa. And they have difficulty determining where to run to. It's not enough, it's good for governors to build roads and flyovers, but then you must identify priorities. Security, investing in education, investing in health care, building security, and showing and demonstrating democratic temper in the way you handle and manage it. On a light note, when I came in here and climbing up here, I've seen a lot of you, and as my brother rufai said, there are a number of you who are expert conspirators who know how to assemble coalitions party in 2015. And when you did so, particularly to a clueless government, years down the line, we thought that there would have been no weaponization of poverty.
Thank you, sir.
And that all the challenges of Nigeria would have been gone.
Thank you.
But 11 years down the line, here we are, assembled to still bemoan the fate of our country. And the only advice I can give, not being a professional coalition builder and conspirator, as some of you are, is that this time, shine your eyes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Happy birthday. God bless you.